The Renaissance was hosted by New York State Assembly member Chantel Jackson alongside other elected officials to honor leaders in the community and celebrate Black history.
We're just excited to be here today to make sure that we are uplifting Black History Month. But today I really want people to see that there's a lot of community leaders in the community doing the work, and we just want to uplift them and celebrate them.
These people contribute to this community. They volunteer, they look out for each other. And it's important that we, as elected officials, recognize their contributions and honor them at events like these.
For recipients like Shirlisia, this recognition is an opportunity to present a new and improved version of herself.
My journey, I'd rather take the old me away and present the new me and who I am today.
Attendees also enjoyed performances by the Renaissance Youth Center, hoping to leave listeners with a small but mighty message.
But I think it's this thing of like seeing young people be positive, do something positive to say, I also can be that as well.
I feel like you can do anything that you want to do. As long as you do it, you don't need help of nobody else. As long as you believe that you can do it, you're going to be able to do it.
As an event that started virtually, now in its third year, the celebration of Black history continues to honor different generations, all inspiring their communities. Reporting for BronxNet, Jonathan Calixto.